FROG stock analysis, super interesting stock, you know, JFrog. This is for the next week. In this 1-minute video, I'm showing you my exact play and technical analysis and price predictions. I am the only guy in the space that's done 40,000 videos and documented them all. Everything is on this YouTube channel. It has literally taken me 5 years and tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors. And even when I first made video on JFrog, since then I've been correct and I've been just holding this on. It's been just delivering, you know, like I have nothing to say other than I'm so proud of it, right? And here's the proof. This is 7 months plus, 8 months plus, right? So there you go. Like at the time it was 29 bucks. Ideally I wanted to take it towards like 50-ish, right? And then still that's kind of the aim that I have. And nothing can actually change the idea that on the lower time frame, I cannot still just completely demolish it and just continue to get involved in here, right? So only if I see it pulling down and showing me some sort of a shift, then I'm going to look to buy. Other than that, this is all noise, so it's not financial advice. And if you want to learn how I'm consistently making 5 to 10K per month with indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.